Hey Glamours, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys for showing me so much love and support on my first ever YouTube video. If you have not watched that video, make sure to click this link up above so you can provide me with all of your thoughts and feedbacks on that video. For this video, I am going to be giving you my tips, tricks, and techniques that I use to create this rainbow look. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure to keep watching. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below all the thoughts that you have. And of course, hit that post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. And of course, subscribe to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. So of course, if this is something that you like, make sure to keep watching. Alright guys, so right now I have a semi-complete foundation face and one eye completely done. So now I'm going to show you how to do the other eye. Right now on my eye, I have a little bit of primer. So I'm going to go back in and just tap it out so it's nice and smooth. The first color that I'm going to go into is this one. And I'm going to place that right here. And blend it upwards towards the brow. The next color that I'm gonna go into is this one right here. And I'm gonna place that right next to the yellow and blend them both in. The next color that I'm going to go into is this one right here. And I'm going to place that right next to the orange. Now I'm going to go right back in with the orange and kind of blend those two colors together. With a little bit of the yellow as well. Now I'm going to get a smaller brush, and this is the E17 from Morphe. And I'm going to dip into this color right here. And I'm going to place that on the outside. I'm gonna go back in with my shades just to blend them out. And now I'm just gonna buff it out one more time. Alright guys, now I'm gonna cut my crease. Just gonna use a little bit of concealer along with a flat brush, and this is the M410 from Morphe. And I'm just gonna go in and cut the crease. And point this out. And I'm having some fallout on the bottom, so I'm just going to use the E48 just to take it out. And of course lightly, because you don't want to mess up your face that's already in place. I'm going to go back in and finish cutting my crease. Once my crease is cut, as you can see, I'm just going to go in with a very precise brush. This is the M250-1. I'm going to dip that into my yellow shade right here. And I'm going to put a line literally right on top of the crease that I just cut. Just for the middle section on top of my eye, I'm going to go in with the orange shade right here. And also a little bit of the red shade right here. So I'm going to dab into both of them. And just intensify the top of that line where my crease is. And this is literally just to sharpen the look a little more. Now I'm gonna go in with the purple shade here, and I'm gonna continue to use the M251. And I'm gonna line right here on the outside of the crease. Alright guys, so my crease has been cut already. So to set my crease and kind of dab away a lot of the excess that kind of fell down after we cut our crease, I'm going to take the M152 from Morphe. I'm gonna dip into this color right here, top corner. I'm gonna place that on my crease. Now I'm going to start the bottom under eye here. I'm going to use the M124. I'm gonna start with the yellow shade, and I'm gonna dab that right here in the corner. That's gonna be my first shade. Now I'm going to dip in to the orange shade that we placed second, and I'm gonna place that right next to the yellow. Now I'm gonna go in to these two colors right here, right next to the orange, and I'm gonna use the M152, and this is gonna be my outermost color here. Now I'm going to bring out that color a little, but not a lot, because I really want that in there. I do not want them to connect. So I'm gonna bring it out a little, so that way it's almost connecting, but it doesn't. And I'm also gonna do that to the side to make sure that it's at the same length. Now I'm gonna use the E47, and I'm gonna just clean up the bottom a little, because I don't want it to be all the way down. I just want it like a tad smidge of color. Now I'm going to put on my mascara and my lashes. So I am back, and on my waterline I applied the Fenty Beauty Bad Bride. And I feel like when you place the white eyeliner on the waterline, it makes your eyes look so much more bigger and bolder. So now I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Private Island, and I'm going to go in with my bronzer brush, which is the Morphe R2. And I'm going to place that here and blend it upwards. I'm going to take the E47 with a little bit of that bronzer, and I'm going to hit my nose right here. Next, I'm going to get my E4 Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip into my blush, which is from Becca Cosmetics, and this is the Wild Honey. And I'm going to place that right here on the tips of my cheeks and blend it upwards. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics Exposed Lip Liner. And I'm going to go over my lip liner with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mannequin Liquid Lip. Now that my lip is on, I'm just going to spray my face one more time with the Morphe setting spray. Now looking at the finished look, I feel like giving my lips a little bit of gloss. So I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Heaven's Gate. And I'm going to place that right in the center of my lips. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just continued to blend out a lot of the colors and clean up a lot of the harsh lines that I had and remove some of the fallout from the shadows that were on my face. If you gotten this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like my video, if you like me, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below all the thoughts that you may have, and also hit that post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a brand new video. Bye, Glamours.